Here's a 2016 Ford Focus. More miles, fun, freedom, and glances come along with this Focus. It's well equipped with the features you need: integrated navigation system, remote engine start, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com writes, when it comes to that elusive fun-to-drive factor, for example, you'll find the Focus to be one of the more engaging cars in its class, with nimble handling that doesn't come at the expense of ride comfort. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.